Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove user from channel in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of your screen you can see your workspace. In the workspace, hover down to the channel in which you want to remove user from. There in the channel, you can see members of the channel. Click on it, then you can see all the members that is added to the channel. Hover your mouse to the person which you want to remove from the channel and you can see remove option. Click to remove and click confirm to remove the user from the channel. Then the user will be removed. This is how you can remove user from the channel in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.